Hello guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Uh, Today I receive a card of this Techno Gym from my customer, and the issue was uh, whenever he start up the machine, I mean he powered up the machine, it will say contact Techno Gym support. Okay, so if we talk about the matrix, if we talk about the live fitness, the good thing about those circuit designs were like whenever there is some issue, they will give you some indication that what is the problem, in which section there is a problem. Like in matrix you will get multiple errors. For the matrix it is the most defined error codes that are given by the matrix, in which you will find easily that what is the problem. And whenever you talk about the uh, like live fitness, it will show motor controller communication bad, power low, or something like that. If you go for pre-core, you will receive messages like use another treadmill. So there is no indication. Similarly, like here in this Techno Gym, there is no indication that what is the problem. It only written con- contact Techno Gym support. So when I opened up the machine, so what I found that whenever you are going to open up the machine, just check on the power section side, everything goes okay, then come to the control side, just have a look on the bigger components that you can see, the components that uses the high power. So if there is an issue, they will show you the burnt marks or the blasted capacitors or something like this. And for this small you cannot know, sometimes you can see, sometimes you cannot see, but mainly if resistance goes down, physically it will look okay, but whenever you are going to test through the treadmill meter, it will show you some wrong values. So here what I did, I just open up the board, I just check this small card, I check all the capacitors, all the resistances, this chopper, everything is the power transistors I checked, they all of them were okay. Okay, and when I did all the things, then I check up the resistors of these boards, all of them seems to be okay, good values. So this is through my experience that I have earned for repairing these circuits many of the years. So whenever you see these kind of things in your Techno Gym card, do one thing, just remove these small SMD capacitors and your problem will be solved. This is what I did here in these areas. I changed the capacitors, and after that I just run my machine. It's working okay, it's working perfect. I check all these things, all of these things seem to be okay and clear. So I change the capacitors, and after that this thing seems to be okay and working great. So this was small issue that I just thought that I should share the video so the people can see that what is the problem, they know. In Techno Gym cards, multiple times this happens. This cable, its connector is gone. Either you change the connector, you make these thimbles more connective, or change this LAN cable, change this one. Okay, so this is what I normally found in the Techno Gym cards. So this is all from today video. If you have any question regarding any of the things in repairing, just do contact us and we will just give you help you out. Okay, so this is all from today video. I hope you like this. Just subscribe the channel, like the channel, and if you have any question, just message me up or just send me an email. Thank you.